In the upcoming 2024 Indian general elections in Karnataka, the second phase on April 26th will feature 14 constituencies with a total of 247 candidates, including 226 men and 21 women. The constituency with the most contestants is Chikballapur with 29 candidates, while Dakshina Kannada has the least with 9 contenders. Here are the constituencies and candidates for Phase 2. Udupi Chikmagalur, BJP candidate Kota Srinivas Poojary, INC candidate K. Jayaprakash Hegde. Hassan, JDS candidate Prajwal Revanna, INC candidate is Shreyas Patel Gowda. Dakshina Kannada, BJP candidate Brijesh Chowta, INC candidate is Padmaraj. Chitradurga, BJP candidate Govind Karjol, INC candidate B.N. Chandrappa. Tumkur, BJP candidate V. Somanna, INC candidate S.P. Muddahanumegowda. Constituency Mandya, JDS candidate H.D. Kumaraswamy, INC candidate Venkataramaneegowda. Mysore, BJP candidate Yaduvir Vadeyar, Indian National Congress candidate M. Lakshman. Chamrajnagar, BJP candidate S. Balaraj, INC candidate Sunil Bose. Bengaluru Rural, BJP candidate C. N. Manjunath, INC candidate D. K. Suresh. Bengaluru North, BJP candidate Shobha Karandlaje, INC candidate Rajiv Gowda. Bengaluru Central, BJP candidate P.C. Mohan, INC candidate Mansoor Ali Khan. Bengaluru South, BJP candidate Tejasvi Surya, INC candidate Soumya Reddy. Chikballapur, BJP candidate K. Sudhakar, INC candidate Raksha Ramaiya. Kolar, GDS candidate M. Mallesh Babu, Indian National Congress candidate K. V. Gautam. Under the National Democratic Alliance comprising the Bharatiya Janata Party and Janata Dal Secular, the BJP will contest from 25 seats while JDS will contest from 3 seats. With extensive security measures in place and over 28.8 million eligible voters, Karnataka gears up for a crucial phase in the democratic process.